What if your retirement paid you back every single month? And I'm not talking about social security checks that barely stretch through rising grocery bills. No, I'm talking about something Jim and Carol from Sarasota, Florida discovered just before their retirement, and it completely changed how they looked at their money. But before I tell you what they did, let me show you why thousands of retirees across America are no longer trusting Wall Street alone to secure their future. Here's the hard truth. Inflation is eroding your savings faster than you think. As of this month, the consumer price index is back up, rents are climbing, and groceries you already know. Meanwhile, retirement accounts like 401ks are still reeling from market volatility, and the Fed's next move has everyone guessing. Retirees are watching the market like a hawk, asking, is this it? Is my nest egg safe? And this is where dividend-paying stocks enter the picture, but not in the way you've probably been told. Let's rewind to Jim and Carol. They were both 67, about to retire. Jim worked 32 years as an engineer. Carol was a public school principal. Their dream was simple: spend time with the grandkids, travel the Southwest, maybe buy a little camper van. They had saved smart, just over $720,000 in combined retirement accounts. But they started asking hard questions. What happens if the market crashes again? What happens if the dollar loses even more value? They didn't want to chase risky high-yield dividend stocks. They wanted stability and something that would pay them. That's when a friend told them about rolling over a portion of their IRA into a gold IRA, not to speculate, but to hedge, to hold real physical assets that produce peace of mind, while their dividend stocks continued working. They kept their dividend-paying blue chips like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Realty Income, stocks that pay monthly or quarterly, but they backed it with something more reliable: gold. They didn't know it at the time, but this one move gave them not just more stability, but more confidence. They weren't stuck watching CNBC all day. Their gold IRA became a foundation, and their dividends, they became their paycheck. And here's the beautiful part. They got started just by claiming a free gold IRA guide, followed by a quick, no-pressure educational call to see if it even made sense for them. No sales pressure, no gimmicky free silver, just clarity. And that's the part I want to make sure you hear loud and clear. If you're an American retiree with over $100,000 saved in an IRA or old 401k, and you're looking for stability in a shaky economy, don't wait for the market to scare you into action. This is your invitation to grab the free Gold IRA guide today. It's helped thousands of people just like you take control over their retirement. And even if you don't move forward, the call is educational. Zero pressure. Because let's be honest, you work too hard to leave your future up to chance. Jim and Carol's story, it started by grabbing that free guide. Maybe yours does too. Make your retirement pay you. Protect what you've built and leave a legacy that lasts. Click the link, grab your guide, and take the first step toward peace of mind today.